To me, they have me because me through a social media person. It's there and you probably can't watch it. And I'm more kind of watch them, so moon name they see me.
Show me. Hey, what a catch you can audio. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this. It's all about Angie's Board TV. I'm going there. I don't care if you can tell. I can be a what's that? And the program I can be a carry actually Ghana for the buy and the program I
Adunya minti. Yeba bibia.
First lady of Airways Empire. And then we pick for him as somebody comes out. Program the work I want send that. But if I come business this up. Why you could the bia no one send media no so na mon for can be din atem na dia dey sansam no. Wo ho na say koso sa. Me pese me hu sene ya osi. Menya we dey me say me hu sa dey ne feel because I dey me at times no wa me so me drum say eh ne koso Kwadwo the wife.
To me, they have me because me through a social media person. It's there and you probably can't watch it. And I'm more kind of watch them, so moon name they see me. Social media no obiet me fan for no account your person or share ni pani so nim no so nim no intimidate me tia say
wow energy media Nkansah na amount for say oba no because onye me sisi nipa ma amount for hwe say omo ebi omo fe omo say bi si akase o ase wait na makodwa esi ase makodwa esi say ni bibi say si na say wo so ba wo na hwe bia na wo ba no say o ye ba no ebia na nipa ma
and then me ba na me minim say me brand e ma fast na do change ya if you are seeing now president announce one sorry like obi ani me ba de na minim say send etie no say pepe na minim say brand e be see
Grace
and then I say that
yes
higher programs but then they are teacher
only no ha say say na ya no sinimoni asa na yawo eno fiana ase yo me tawo se to be mu diago mu di nkofia na mu diago wo fie mu fie asa agro mo fie opa
agro ni on so no ni talent na natural you fear because a natural force no art it said you are na bontin sa na but the bass in do como serious the end your famba
uncle said yabuwa
is so bass as watch kakra o e go bobom kakra na enche go say beneja fantastic o bibi a we catch fans a mo follow ene o mo follow o asema person catch o ma
wow congrats
yes send you don't know more my no more cause sa wow more sense
wow but that's about me how baby and I want to say there and about him what you want to say there why not you say no o ka sama men ko o exclusive men ko o na achem interview Kwadwo Nkansah LilWin wife achem interview kama pa nyame insha nti juma de enu kuso e koso
I have a private department. All thanks to Uncle Costa. He makes this happen.
Let's say the upper primary, Kwadwo Nkansah LilWin, Great Mass International School, upper primary for other areas. Nice choreography Kumawood. Very nice choreography from Great Mass International School. Speech, prize, given a graduation day. And also, I saw most of them, Papa, well trained. That's a papa. Beauty. Yes, sure. I had a whole Great Minds International School. Fashion show, no. Fashion show, no.
Hey, let's be. Oh no, the coming out here. Great Minds International School.
Great Minds International School. Winner from Great Minds International School. Fashion show. Also a small boy, I don't know. Wow. Great Minds International School. Wow, not tell them all. We're not telling. Wow. Very nice catwalk. Very nice catwalk. Very nice catwalk. Very nice catwalk. Wow. Very nice catwalk. Kwadwo Nkansah baby otinani ajepa. One the wife for him Omani ajepa. One the one for AC catwalk na. Omani ajepa Wow, sorry, sir. Wow, wonderful. Wow. Catwalk na no dey. Wow, bako so ere ba no. Bako so na danda na ho ba no. Wow. I can tell you. That's fine. I want to have a bugger say that. Oh my God. Hey, let's go. Oh, baby. Too good to swallow. Hey, wow. Wow, very nice initiative. Great Minds International School, Kwadwo Nkansah LilWin. Great Minds International School, Kwadwo Nkansah LilWin. We're a fashion show. Also, a speech and prize giving and graduation day. That's it. Now show how I'm currently addressing any cow musinantana. Keke. World train. The ocean as a Oba Epe School Papa a Great Minds International School. Kwadwo Nkansah LilWin School no. Omo training Korana papa. Akatani nebaro. Guys, we about to so. Akatani nebaro, about to so. Guys, we share there. And then I over Akatani no. Great Minds International Akatani. Then I over share. Who to me channel? Wow, osu nebaro. Nebaro. Hey, we dey catch your canoe dio. Wow. Oh, mama kwe nante mhwe. Yeah, Beyonce, no, what a catwalk. Nancy. Wow. Obeson. Hey. Beautiful. A creative art school apart. Wow. Akatani pa. Wow. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Hey, now I can tell you what this is. Mush I can tell you about. Wow. One more big way popping. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. We let that woman because you never papa. Wow. Wow, lover boy. Wow, man of flower. Oh my, oh my. Very beautiful. On tape paper, on tape paper. On tape paper. On tape paper, on tape paper. On tape paper. On tape paper. Very nice. Wow. Papa Joe, no, Papa Joe, Kobe. Papa Joe, Kobe, come on. This is beautiful. Hey. Great prize. Great prize. Show me. Come on, Come on, another beautiful one is coming. Hey, give me 360 again. 360. Hey, 360. Come on. Hey. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wonderful. Yeah, I'm oh, what you got, doctor? You can't doctor. What you got, doctor? Hey, what you got, doctor? You can't doctor. Smoky. Hey, explanation feelings. African friends, and I hate Shabuno. Beautiful. This is stunning. This is amazing. Look at this. Come on. Oh, if this is not beautiful, then I don't know what is beautiful again. Look at this. Look at this. African Trinidad fall attack. Extra dodo. Look at this. Show me something. Come on. Because here, Chairman Spanky. Use the outer lane. Thank you so much. Hey. Fela Makapu. Come on tape, LilWin Junior never. Come on. Junior LilWin. The PC expression, the PC, the fun boy, the PC expression. Come on. Kwadwo Nkansah LilWin Junior LilWin. What problem is it? Come on. I'm going to tough on my office. I'm going to cook soup. Come on. You're quiet. That's a man. Boy. Farm boy.
Fanboy, or swag, or steez, or composer, or BBR, or silent fanboy. Jesus Christ. Odogu. Odogu, there's no show anymore. Odogu, the phone, baby. Come on. Odogu, chill. What am I going to say? Osebro, Zikani. That's nice. Yeah. Busy. The air panel. Atakani. Showboy. Balenciaga no. Mano Balenciaga. Chairman Swanky. Yo, Junior LilWin, and then you're about Junior LilWin, you're about LilWin. Hey, LilWin, Mamba, make them number Niati. Hey, LilWin, Mamba, make them number Niati. Okay, okay, Pusha. Junior LilWin. School rank as somebody. Over church, come on, this is first lady.
Open the way for second chance TV. Be outside and side. The final and the
Kwadwo Nkansah LilWin speech.